Ever wondered, is your GRC program actually good? Or what does mature even mean in cybersecurity? Today we are breaking down the 5 levels of GRC maturity from chaos to competitive advantage. Once you understand these levels, you will be able to evaluate any organization's GRC posture. So let's get started. Companies love to say this: we are SOC to compliant. We follow ISO 27001 standard. Okay, but how well is that compliance actually implemented? Is it a part of how the company runs, or is it just a sticker on the website? That's what maturity model reveals. Once you understand that, you will be able to spot real progress. If you are new here, I'm John. This is GRC Made Simple. I take the world of governance, risk and compliance, explain it in a way that actually practical and useful. Let's walk through the GRC maturity model with real world examples. What is GRC maturity? GRC maturity is just a way of measuring how repeatable, effective, and scalable your GRC program is. Are you just getting by or actually building something sustainable? A lot of companies look polished from the outside, but ask a risk register or audit trail, the things get quiet. This model gives us a way to diagnose where things really are and most importantly where they need to go. Here are the 5 levels of GRC maturity: ad-hoc, repeatable, defined, managed, optimized. Each one has clear traits you can spot in real environments. Level 1: ad-hoc. This is the chaos stage. There's no formal processes. Security is reactive. People rely on memory or Slack threads to stay compliant. You will see no official policies, no risk register, inconsistent or missing controls. You ask about a process and they say we fix it when something breaks. That's level 1. Level 2: repeatable. Now there's some structure, but it's still fragile. People are trying to do the right things. It relies on individuals, not system. You will see SOC 2 checklist, a basic risk log in Excel, occasional access review based on calendar reminders. You will know it's level 2 when everything depends on who remembers to follow through. It works until someone's out sick or leaves the company. Level 3: defined. Here's where things get more structured. GRC processes are formalized. Security is no longer just a IT problem, it's cross-functional. You will see documented policies and procedure, defined risk management frameworks, audits and assessments that are actually planned. In level 3, team speaks a shared risk language. You are not chasing people, you are working together. Level 4: managed. At this level, GRC isn't just defined, it's measured and monitored. You will see automated evidence collection, dashboard for real-time visibility. Risk KPIs are being tracked and reviewed, continuous control monitoring. At this level, GRC stops being a burden and starts becoming a business advantage. Level 5: optimized. Now we are at the elite tier. GRC isn't just functioning, it's driving innovation. You will see AI or automation predicting risk, GRC embedded into product and business decision, regular management level reporting on risk posture. This isn't about checking boxes anymore. These companies lead on security and compliance. Want to understand where a company really is? Pay attention to how they handle questions like: how do we track compliance tasks? What happens when our risk is identified? How often do we review our policies? Do teams know what controls they are responsible for? The answers will paint a clear picture of maturity, even if no one says the word maturity. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Ad hoc level has more chaos and doesn't has any structure. Repeatable. It has some processes, but it's still fragile. Defined level. It's more structured and documented. Managed level. It's more automated, tracked, and measured. Optimized level. It's more strategic, proactive, business aligned. The higher the maturity, the stronger the security posture. The more scalable the program, the more trusted the organization becomes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clarify GRC maturity, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments what maturity level is your organization is. And of course, hit subscribe. We got more practical GRC breakdowns coming your way.